I told you, there's a jet that can take off like a helicopter, fly faster than sound, and vanish from enemy radar. This is the F-35B, a $100 million flying cheat code. While most jets need a runway, the F-35B can launch vertically from the deck of a moving aircraft carrier or a patch of dirt in the desert. It doesn't just hover, it breaks the sound barrier at 1,200 miles per hour while staying nearly invisible to radar. Its secret? Stealth coating, radar-absorbing curves, and vertical thrust nozzles that rotate mid-air like something out of sci-fi. And when it's low on fuel, it can refuel in the sky without ever landing. Pilots call it a flying superpower. But here's the wildest part. This jet is so smart, it has 360-degree battlefield vision and can even track enemy planes before they take off. So yeah, this isn't a plane. It's a $100 million ghost. Comment below. Do you think there are any airplanes that can compare to it? Please leave your answers in the comments section.